Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Boxycharm unboxings. It looks like it's premium and Luxe this month. My premium box came a little chewed up, and I'm going to tell you because the boxes both looked a little damaged. You see, a little damaged. I did go through them all and open up things to see how the products fared, and I can tell you now an item in the premium box is damaged. So I'm just going to jump right on into this video, and we have for the premium box, it's BTS. Don't know what it stands for. Doesn't really matter. What matters is what's in the box. And the first thing we're going to start with is the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. It's for $25. Got a little Fenty Beauty packaging. Let's open this up. Looks like I have 6 Smoky is the color that I ended up getting. So, cute little packaging right there. Sorry if my ring light washes anything out. If I can get it open. Some cute little mauves. There's browns in there. A couple of shimmers. There looks like one looks like a glitter and the other one looks like a shimmer. So this is a glitter one. This is a shimmer. It's a nice little. It is a neutral. Can go as a neutral palette. Can go smoky for nighttime. You can do both looks with this palette depending on what shadows you actually use. The next thing we have in the box is Tarte Sea Lotion Skin Perfector. And this cost $32. Cute little seafoam greenish blue packaging. We're going to open this up. I already know there's a safety seal on it. And that's cute little packaging right here. All that is basically like lotion for your face. The third thing that's in this box is Herbivore Botanicals Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. Yes, I read that right the first time. And that's like another seafoamy bluish green color. Take a whiff of this. However, what's inside looks green and yucky. Let's see what this smells like. It's a little jelly. You see, it's like stringy. Oh, okay. No. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell good at all. Yuck. It smells like minty eucalyptus-y. It just smells, oh, perfect example. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub and Noxzema had a baby. That's the smell. That is the smell. I don't mind those things separately, but mixed together, ew. Anyway, that's $48 for that mask. Then again, it might actually be really good mask. I don't know. Never heard of them. Never seen anybody talk about them, so we'll see. Next, we have Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. This here, I do know is damaged. It's probably a color I would have never used, and if I did, it would have been an eyeshadow. And this $38. And this is the packaging right here. Little honeycomb pattern. And as you can see, the pink one is all broken out. When I first opened it, it was just a crack in it going down, and then I went to move it and it just went all over. In my shoes, in my carpet. It was a pink mess on my floor here. Alright. Next we have is Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. And it looks, packaging is just simple like this. Gray, white. This here, I believe is it motorized? I'll be darned, it is. You put some batteries in it and it vibrates. I guess on your skin to massage serums, creams, whatever you want. Just a nice little facial if you want. It's just rose gold. I like these kind of things, especially to rub in my serums. The last, did I say how much it costs? No, I didn't. It is $58. I don't think I did. But if I didn't, it's $58. The last thing I have here in the box, this is a little damaged too, or at least the box is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm with Natural Tint. And it is this. It's purple. This is the box that it came in. And it does smell berryish, berry purple. No, purple doesn't smell. Berry grape scent. Grape Ape, if anybody remembers Grape Ape. You know, the purple gorilla. Let me know down below if you remember Grape Ape. Because if you do, it's telling our age. Alright, next box we have is the Luxe box. And the card for this says Fall Luxe. I like this card. It gives me all the fall feels. Alright, first thing we have in here is by Rare Beauty. And it says Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. And it is in the shade Blessed, I guess is what the shade is. That packaging. To this packaging, it's like a pretty muted pinky color. And it's like a peachy pink shade. Looks very pretty. Looks more springy than fall, but whatever. Potato, potato. And then we have here MAC Cosmetics 84 Goddess Lash. Don't really wear lashes. Oh, and the Rare Beauty lip gloss or lip balm is $16 if I didn't say so. Next is the MAC Cosmetics lashes, and this is $16. No, $18. I can't read. They're really pretty, simple. Maybe not so simple. I don't really wear lashes, but hey, we'll give it a try maybe for New Year's if we ever can get out of here, right? Get back to normal somehow. Next we have Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whip Cream. Let's see what we have. And I said Saturday Skin, and this is Saturday Skin. This costs $57. Looks like it's just a, yeah, just a cream. Smell this fun stuff. I like this kind of packaging better than complete sealed. Yep, smells like a lot of creams. It smells cucumbery, spa, fresh. That's pretty much how I can just describe it. Fresh. Alright, I don't know. Did I say $57? $57. Next we have Cobb Cosmetics Contour Palette. This goes for $60. That's a lot. Hopefully the shades are okay. This one is volume 1. Packaging is like this. It's a nice big mirror. These are the colors in here. I might be able to get some of these to work. I don't know about the suntan color because it looks a little orangey, but we'll see. I don't really like contour palettes too much because a lot of the shades I'm not. So I'd rather have one bronzer than that. I don't really use banana powder or that white powder that's in there. I really don't use those things, but it is what it is because I don't bake. So next we have Adagio Not So Mini Flat Iron. And this goes for $99. It's just a small little mini flat iron. Throw this in my travel bag. Nice to have, so that way I'm not carrying my huge one and I just threw it. So hopefully I didn't break that and anything else that I just threw it on. It's been a long day. Next we have the new company defense straps. These are oral drops. These cost $35. It says your first line of defense against getting sick. I don't know you. I'm used to over-the-counter stuff if I get sick. So maybe I'll keep this at my desk. Since I do work in a hospital, I am around sick patients. So maybe we'll see. Alright, I work in a hospital but in a doctor's office. My patients come in sick. It is that time of year. People are going to be coming in sick with the flu, strep, all that fun stuff. Alright, that was $35. If I didn't say so. Excuse me. Okay, and next we have here the Lifestyle Company Bamboo Body Polish. It's just a basic, not basic, it's just a body scrub pretty much. In this little pretty no, not normal, pretty, what do you call it? Simple packaging. Take a quick smell of this. Yeah, I'm not going to show you guys. And I just got it all over my nose. But that's okay. It smells coconutty. Nice loveliness. This goes for $49. This one little thing could probably just do my body twice. That's a lot of money. Next we have Froze Lip Scrub. I did open this up so that way it's easy for me to get into. Froze, pretty little packaging here. All the little rainbow colors going around. And this is just a lip scrub. And this goes for $16. And that's what it looks like. Pretty little pink packaging. Ew. I don't know what the heck it smells like. It smells like a really, I don't know what to say, artificial, like candy smell. It's not like strong, but it doesn't smell the greatest either. Well, that is all I have for both boxes. I have to say, my premium box upset me knowing that I got one product already damaged in it. I probably wouldn't, like I said, I probably wouldn't have used that color anyway, so it would have been a waste to not even use it. So with it falling on the ground and smashing all up into pieces is not really a huge loss for me. I mean, it's disappointing. You know, maybe I could have used it for an eyeshadow. Who knows? But that's it. That's all I have in this box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you would like to see from me. Comment what you liked in the boxes that I got this month. Tell me what you got in the box this month if you get these boxes. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.